All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo, and this is brought to you by TD Markets. All right, so it's a Tuesday. We're going to continue our morning market breakdown and take a look at four currency pairs. All right, we're going to take a look at GBP NZD. We're going to take a look at Euro GBP, GBP CAD, and GBP JPY. So it's only the pound, right, in today's session. All right, so what I have in front of me is GBP JPY or GBP NZD, right? I've got GBP NZD, and with GBP NZD, the last time we spoke about GBP NZD, we were saying that we're looking for this to come back around about this area, right, and then to make a push to the upside, right? So that took a long time, but it finally happened. The market went down, and then from this area, it's currently pushing all the way down. So right now, what are we expecting on GBP NZD? We're expecting a continuation, all right, on GBP NZD. We're expecting this to continue. It can still make a pullback, make a retest. It can still make a retest, but uh, we're expecting this to end up making a push all the way to the upside. So GBP NZD more bullish, a bullish leg is coming. Keep an eye out on this bullish leg, and you would basically target these stops, right? We anticipate the market to go back to these stops. So keep an eye out on GBP NZD. That bullish leg is coming. All right, and then we've got the Euro GBP, right? So Euro GBP around this area, anywhere around this area, the correction is likely gonna complete, and we're gonna see a drop. All right. So anywhere within this area, anywhere, just anywhere within this area, right? This corrective wave is likely gonna complete, and then we're gonna get a push to the downside. What you'd want to do is to look for a bearish leg on this one. If there's gonna be any changes, obviously we'll take a look at those changes, but for now the structure is simple, the structure is clear. The market rejected the top of the bigger structure as well as the inner structure, and it made an aggressive bearish impulse which broke below also the ascending channel that we see there. All right, and then right now we've got a corrective structure which indicates price is likely going to continue the last or the next impulsive leg to the downside. All right, so Euro GBP is preparing to give us that push to the downside. Keep an eye out for that anywhere around this area. Keep an eye out for your selling or your trading opportunities to the downside. All right, and here we've got GBP CAD. GBP CAD is preparing to give us a push to the upside, right? So uh, it rejected the bottom of or the support on the weekly time frame. That has been rejected, and the market has been breaking structure to the upside, and currently we saw the market breaking this descending structure to the upside. So the market is making higher highs and higher lows, and we're expecting a continuation to go back to the stop, right? And then from there we'll see how the market will develop, but for now GBP CAD expecting a push all the way to the upside to continue this bullish leg that is currently forming. So keep an eye out for this. The next bullish leg is coming, and yeah, keep a close eye on this, and let's see how it will develop. All right, and the final one is GBP JPY. GBP JPY, it's changing the overall structure, right, to the downside, and now it's preparing to make a push to the upside. All right, so once we get a break above, once we get a break above this this high there, right, then we will get a push back to the top. So GBP JPY, the way it looks, it's preparing to give us that bullish leg, right, and possibly go back to the start of this descending trend line, or possibly continue this overall leg. All right, so GBP JPY, once we get a break above this trend line and this minor key level there, this not a key level but that minor high there, then we'll be looking for a push to the upside. So keep your eye the on GBP JPY for that bullish leg. All right, so that is GBP NZD expecting a bullish leg, Euro GBP expecting a bearish leg, GBP CAD as well as GBP JPY expecting those to break out and give us that bullish leg. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, that these are the pairs for today. We've went over 4 currency pairs. This is the opening pair with myself, Tshepo. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys are making a profit. If you guys have any questions, feel free to type it down below or uh, drop us an email to care@tdmarkets.com. We are also streaming live on YouTube, so if you're watching this from Facebook, head over to YouTube to our TD Markets YouTube channel, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, such that whenever we drop content, you will be notified. All right. So this, as I said, is also streaming on YouTube. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, do enjoy the rest of your day. I'll catch you guys on the next opening bell.